Great. Okay. Okay, I get it. No pallet wood this time. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll explain in a minute why I just chopped up that big panel into these small pieces. But first, I have to thank Carolina Shoe for supporting this video, making it possible, and supporting everything that I do on this channel. So Carolina Shoe makes some amazing work boots that I personally wear in the shop every single day, and there's 3 styles here that I'm showing off. All these are actually made here in the US. So this is their classic amp style work boot, and they just added this new version to the lineup. It's a black color, and it just came out less than a week ago, but you can order these now, I think just without the Jackman laces. So I have 2 coupon codes down below. One is good for this new style of black amp boot, and the other one is good for any style of boots at carolinashoe.com. All right, so back to the project. This big panel here was laminated from reclaimed white oak. It used to be old horse fencing that was glued together like I do here. I brought the big panel to Maker Faire in New York City to start the power carving process. And then the reason behind chopping that big panel up into these smaller pieces is all explained on these stamps that I put on the back of each of these pieces. So the overarching concept behind the design is how the maker community really brings people together from all different walks of life who otherwise probably would never meet. And then dividing that larger panel into these smaller pieces is really just a symbol of how everyone is a piece to the puzzle, and freely sharing ideas allows us to together create things that individually we just would not be able to achieve. So I'm going to be giving away all of these pieces. Most are going to a list of people who stop at the booth at Maker Faire, but I know people can't get there for various reasons, so I want to give a couple away to my audience here as well. Link in the description explains how you can enter into that random drawing. So I'm constantly sharing my ideas and art here on this channel, but I want to do that physically for a handful of people as well. If you came within 100 feet of the booth at Maker Faire, that came in the form of wood chips down the back of your shirt. But anyway, thanks for checking out this build. Each video is an event for me, and this one especially, so links down in the description. Go check those out. I'll see you next time.